M1, they're clean underneath.
Nice interior carpets, cause looking at my nan's living room. Oh, hella heavy, innit? Nearly entered the primary with a camera on my head. The visibility, you've got an iPad Pro on the windscreen.
Do you want to take it down? Go right here.
Right here, yeah? Yeah, I wanted it not to rain, but it is what it is. It's Rotherham, innit? These boys live in Rotherham, yeah, so pray for them. So that explains the weather today. Boys, I've never driven a Civic Type R.
This looks so funny.
We're gonna get pulled. Nah, but honestly, yeah, I've never driven this car in my life, and all you lot go on about is Civic Type R, Civic Type. You know my comments?
Yeah.
I guarantee every video, minimum one man's commenting, oh, Civic Type R.
People hate it until they try it, and then they love it.
Oh, the handle's alright, man. What can I?
VTEC kicks in about 6.5, I think.
Will you let me bang it off the limiter in that?
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice, you know.
Dirty driver.
In hooks.
Bro, I love the clutch as well when you're driving it like this. When you set in traffic, it's shit like this.
Oh, steering is. Yo, this is nice, you know. Oh my god. What the f? Why have I been driving that shitty 1.8 for yonks, mate?
Bro, Type R, get yourself in.
She's sticking like man.
It's sticking. It's crazy.
What you done to this shit?
I'm telling you, good. Oh, there you go.
Oh, yeah. As kids, we're told don't meet random men online, and I'm here to change that. If you want to see your cars feature on my videos and you're around Knots or willing to come down, then message my Instagram at RizzyElbow. We'll get a quick POV. I'll even wine and dine you before I send you on your way. So don't be shy and come and say hello.
Bro, I'm telling you, bro,
Yo, on my life,
fun you can have in a car, bro.
this is up there. What's it called, man? This is a different feeling, innit, to the Germans.
I've had a German, bro, but this.
No, your thing is, yeah, the German, fair enough, you park it next to this, you'll be on top of the road quicker, but you're not going to be smiling like that, G.
I'm telling you. Everyone that I've brought in it, they're just smiling, bro.
Oh, is this for sale? I'll drive her home today. Nah, honestly.
Can't, bro. It's too clean of an example.
Do second gear limiter back.
Whack it right, yeah.
Obviously, I need my man's permission, innit?
Go right, yeah.
This one, yeah?
K20.
Yeah, limiter bash, bro. I told
Worst
you.
comes to worst, we're getting new engine.
No, because then it's on my head, innit?
Bro, limiter bash it is car.
Oh, it's spinning.
Holy
Yo, boys, also, I don't know the roads around here, innit? So I'm going to be a bit chill today.
Okay, so,
oh, yeah, at least the rain stopped, innit, you know?
Bro, this car's in the rain, fam.
Oh, yeah.
It just spins.
It's still it's spinning a little bit now, innit?
It's a bit wet, but when it's dry, it just sticks.
Yo, this is responsible, you know.
I know, and it's N8, so when you put your foot down, it's not turbo spooling. You just.
Yeah, you feel like the top end, innit?
Yeah. This is the bit that I'm on about, yeah.
Well, I can let it off here.
No, don't let it off here. This
Oh,
is
shit.
the bit when-
We'll appreciate the scenery, innit, while we're at it before we become a part of the scenery.
But to be fair, when you load a VTEC, you do feel a difference.
Yeah, because I haven't mapped it yet, innit? You have to come back when I map it.
This is stock.
Yeah, this is stock. It's got an exhaust on it, an intake on it,
I
and
never
coilovers.
thought.
That's it.
What, so you just done like, it's ready then, innit? It's ready for a tune,
It's
really.
ready for a tune, yeah. I've got the decal and everything. You have to.
Nah, I never thought, I knew I'd drive one eventually, innit? But I didn't think I'd drive a stock one. I didn't think you can still get a stock one, innit?
You can, but it's like people that like keeping them in their collections and that.
Yeah.
This one used to be turboed. It was running 500 brake.
Used to be.
Yeah, it used to be turbo.
What, the turbo just
No.
go by?
So basically, then a breaker company bought it off the guy that had it turbo, and they were trying to sell it me for like 9.5 grand. And I said to him like, look, I want to pay like 6.5 max. And they go, if we take the turbo kit off, we can sell it. I said, say no more.
Type bastard. Man came with his Allen key on the viewing. Oh my life, I thought it was a 5-speed.
Nah,
on these and then you'd be used to it, innit? This is the Lake District, no?
No.
This is Rotherham, yeah.
Oh, this is the drag strip.
This is the drag strip.
Is it gonna whack the floor?
Look on the left.
No.
You sure?
You good. Send it.
Yo, it's moves.
And that's with 4-man deep, fam.
Yeah, trust me, we're
this
pushing
is
weight
romantic.
today, yeah. Nah, that's you know what shocked me? That I did not think this was a 6-speed.
Yeah, bro.
The motorway, so this is economical as well.
I don't know about the Marpagana, like.
What, is it good on fuel if you're not taking the piss?
Yeah, to be fair, it's not bad. You still get about 35 miles per gallon.
Good daily then, innit?
It's not
35 mpg
Well,
local
I hate
runs.
daily in this, you know, in traffic as well with that clutch. It's f***ing
Quad workout, innit? But you got your gizmo in there, so
Yeah,
you're chilling. You can still
I need to get
daily,
CarPlay
innit?
still. They had it in already, so I just kept it.
Yeah, I thought this would remind me of, you know, the other Civic,
Nah,
FN2.
Bro, no chance. This is way.
Now, there's not even similar.
FN2?
Yeah, I've driven an FN2,
What do
but
you think? Because I've driven both. and
but it's
they go
nothing
right
like
in,
this. It's
don't they?
nothing like this, innit? Which is weird because you'd think it's the same
Yeah.
f***ing manufacturer. It's spinning there. I've not even got my foot down.
Dropped in second.
My bad, missed the gear, innit? We don't want to scare old man, do we?
Bro, it does, bro. You know you get 4-man deep, bro. It's still quick, bro.
4-man deep with the AC on and screen in there. What? We're chilling, man. We're on our way to work.
Bro, imagine you had this in 2005, bro.
Oh, you'd be the man, innit?
You were the shit.
Test levels would be high rolling in this. What's the equivalent now? Because I don't think it's the new Type R.
Equivalent to this?
Yeah.
There is nothing, because they're all turbo now. This is NA still, so
Where is gear 3? It's not at the top, is it?
it's like just edged off to the right of it.
You were gonna ask me what I think, innit?
Yeah, I was gonna think what you think of the gear knob now that you've actually driven it.
It's nice, you know, it's right there, proper driver's car. I've not
Yeah.
even got to be off the wheel, like all the way down there, waiting.
Chilling.
Spin it around, yeah?
Yeah, spin it around. You know the road's a bit now, so you can
Nah, hardly, mate. I only went on it once.
had a lap in it, so the second lap should be better. These cars, the gearbox is a bit.
Nah, it's not though, is it? You just got to get used to it. That's just a hole in the exhaust. Is that your hole in the exhaust?
That's the hole
Yeah.
in the exhaust. You hear that little like jump? That's the VTEC. It's so loud in this intake.
He's loving it. Nah, he weren't, you know, he was smiling. What do you mean you can hear it from there? You're in the back seat. Love for letting me drive this, you know.
I'm telling you, G.
Oh my god.
I can't believe you didn't have a video on an EP3 yet.
No, my boys have got one.
I swear. I need to show you some videos of his one. His one had a fat flame map
flames
on it
as
as
well.
well.
Yeah, they
Like
know.
8-inch flame.
What, Papa done up? That's what I was thinking. I thought most of them have got flames and you can't really find one stock. About a year ago, yeah, I was so serious about buying one. But like what I told you, like I just couldn't find one. I just gave up.
Yeah. There's not many good examples left, innit? That's why I'm just holding on to it now.
Wait, which way did I come from? Left.
JDM one, they're clean underneath.
Bam, 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 bam. Yo, it's growing on me, man. VTEC screaming.
When the engine's screaming at you, bro, you just want to go for more.
You know, you ain't got to worry about this and that like you're in a German, yeah? You can only do one pull and then you're shook. You already can't, you're looking at your Halifax app thinking, shit, is it even worth it? Yo, it's fun, you know. I'm not even speeding really, and it's like, I'm still having a blast in it.
When I get it mapped, I'll shout you again.
When you getting it mapped?
Yeah.
Nah, when, G?
When?
Yeah.
I don't know, you know. I need to get a couple more things. I need a throttle body. I need some cabs. And I need...
You need a microphone, mate, that's what you
That's
need.
what I need, bro. Just covering my voice with VTEC.
My bad, I'm gonna chill now innit with the CX5, whatever that is, so you get on with it.
Yeah, so
what, you're gonna fully do it up, yeah?
Yeah, I need throttle body. I want to make it the fastest NA it can be. So I need throttle body, I need cams, inlet manifold, throttle body and cams, and then I'm gonna map it. 2-3 grand left to spend.
That's the only thing I'd have to say about it. It's a fun car. Honestly, everything, but if I had to nitpick one thing just on the straights, is you're sort of just waiting for the next gear, innit?
Yeah.
You have to downshift it.
Yeah, the torque is shit.
What, you gotta be in 8 and 9?
Yeah, because the VTEC is what gives you the torque. You get that top end power, innit? When they map it, they bring the VTEC lower, so you hit VTEC at like 4.5k revs instead of like 5.5, 6k.
Once I'm in the top end of 3, he's in cruise control. He don't even have a clue how much I'm smiling right now. Yo, it's making me laugh at 20 mile an hour, cuz. Bam, 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 bam. God, trust me.
Have you ever smiled this much in a different
Nah,
movie?
of course.
I'm telling you.
Honestly, yeah, MX-5 maybe, but that don't make sound like this. Only similar thing I've driven is probably MX-5. More than the, you know, the other type, but nah, I don't think, I think this is more similar to MX-5 than it is to the other type. I thought it would feel like that, but I'll be real, it feels like a completely different car. You can't think that the same people
There's
made it.
nothing the same. It's going where you're going.
This is why I don't mind.
I've had so many people try to buy it off me, you know.
I just tried to buy it off you
I
as
know,
well.
you did as well. So many people, bro, at work as well. They see my car parked in car park. They come in, it's like yours. How much did you sell it for? And I'm not selling it.
Is it clean? What as well underneath?
Underneath, I'll show you some pictures after as well.
Is it an import?
Nah. This is UK. The import ones there, white, the championship white. You know the.
Oh, they only come white.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Is it back to the back again?
This one's sharp.
This next one.
What? This is sharp.
Yeah, it goes left and brings you round. Remember when you wrapped around it?
Nah, bro, I'll be real. I got dementia.
Is that one at the top there that's sharp?
Yo, it's slippy, innit?
If I say we got airtime, but
Because the first few weeks I was just driving two passengers, like one passenger.
Rizzy, you sit in the back, bro. You see how full.
Nah, I said in the back, bro. I said me through the window. Man's asking me to get in the back. Yo, you got nice roads though. I like them. You know where I drive is alright, but I'm doing up U-turns every 10 minutes, innit? Yeah, but the thing is, you're saying don't get caught, but realistically, I'm having fun within the limit. You get me?
That's what's even better.
Not much cars can do. That's the thing with Germans, yeah. You finally get a buzz, but at that point, you're doing 130, 140.
Yeah.
Put your foot down a bit, you went flying.
Yeah, exactly.
In this, bro, you can just enjoy it all the way
That's
through.
true. It's about
Even
the sound,
90 mile an hour in there, yeah. In here, it's like you're holding on for dear, but in there, you
Rizzy became a man today, innit?
yeah, man, lost my Civic Type R virginity, innit? Nah, I see what the hype's about.
Yeah.
You need to copy it, man. Trust me.
Oh, find me. Oh, can I buy yours? Just call it a day. I'll pay $1,000 over list price.
Damn, bro, God. Bit priced there.
What's this worth now in this condition? Is it 5 figures?
I reckon I could, I reckon what do you think, like 9, 10
yeah.
maybe?
But have you seen the underside of this?
The underside of this is
Bro,
mid, fam.
what-
What, but is that you being busy with the spray can? or
No,
you actually...
no, like it's all fully been treated.